Hairovesca Hair Growth Serum is marketed as a topical treatment that claims to reduce hair thinning, stimulate hair growth, and promote thicker, healthier-looking hair. The before and after photos can look convincing, but the real question is, can you trust the claims? Now, to be fair, some hair growth ingredients have been studied for their potential benefits. However, not every hair serum has strong clinical evidence showing it can regrow hair. What it does well, easy to apply. A topical serum can be incorporated into your daily hair care routine with minimal effort. May improve the appearance of hair. Some ingredients can help condition the scalp and make hair look healthier or fuller. Where the hype falls apart, hair regrowth isn't guaranteed. No cosmetic serum can promise significant hair regrowth for everyone. The ingredients matter. Unless the formula contains clinically supported active ingredients at effective concentrations, the results may be limited. Results take time. If a product is effective, noticeable improvements typically require consistent use over several months. So, should you buy Hairovesca Hair Growth Serum? Short answer, maybe, if your expectations are realistic. If you're looking for a serum to support scalp health and improve the appearance of your hair, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to reverse significant hair loss or restore a full head of hair on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.